Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows. First of all, click on this search bar in the bottom and find control panel. Click on this control panel and then in this top right corner, view by large icon, find network and sharing center. And then click on the connection. Click wireless properties button. Open the security tab and click show character. This is your Wi-Fi password, the network security key. So yeah, that's how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows. If you like this video, please subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.